Hi first graders, this is a fun week in science as we get to learn about the 4 seasons. Now we will be working on the 4 seasons for the next 2 weeks. The first week we're just kind of introducing you to them, and then the next week we're really going to talk about them in detail. So for today, you're welcome to get your crayons, and you'll see the picture of the tree. It says trees. It says the 4 seasons. A year has 4 parts. Each part is called a season. And once again, we want to remember the seasons come to us because of the tilt. So the earth is not this way, the earth is that way. The tilt creates the seasons. Okay, so the first one says winter. What do you think of when you think of winter? So for me, I'm going to color my tree. And you can take your time to do this. I'm just going to do a little bit with you. So for me, what I think of is snowmen and snow and it being a bit cooler. Very cold, actually. I think of the holidays. And yeah, that's about it. So I'm going to color my tree. And you can pause this video at any time to just take your time coloring. I'm going a little bit faster because I'm just kind of showing you what you can do, okay? Okay. And then, of course, for me to show the snow, I'm going to kind of use black first. So there's my snow, and maybe I want to put like a hill by it, kids are sledding on. And maybe even a snowman, right? You can do whatever you'd like to show your tree in winter. This is just giving you a little bit of an idea. And then I don't have a white crayon, but if I did, or maybe with my pencil, I might want to draw snow falling, because that's a big thing that happens in the winter time. It gets cold and it starts to snow, right? Okay, so there's my winter, and then I'm going to look at spring. So after winter comes spring. So I'm going to get my brown again, and do you notice a change in the tree? I know, I sure do. It is much, it's so full of flowers, huh? So maybe this is a cherry tree or palm tree. It could be whatever you want it to be. And I'm just going to color my trunk. And when I think of spring, I think of new animals and flowers just coming out. So I'm not going to draw the grass really green because it's just starting to come up. That's what happens in spring. It's not like huge yet. It's coming. It's starting. I'll draw some flowers. So I'll draw some daffodils because those are the first ones that come up in springtime. I'm just kind of drawing stuff. Maybe you want to draw a playground or your family, and then you can color. I don't have pink, but you can color your flowers. Okay, so I'm kind of coloring them pink because I'm doing really, really light red. Okay, and that would be my spring. Okay, so tomorrow we'll do the next 2, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye everyone.